How to install and update HP Support Assistant in Chrome OS. HP Support Assistant is a free application for Chrome OS that provides automatic updates, diagnostics, and a variety of assistance options for your HP computer or printer. Installing HP Support Assistant. If HP Support Assistant is not installed on your computer, open a Chrome browser and go to support.hp.com/help/HP-support-assistant. Click Launch HP Support Assistant for Chrome OS. If the extension is missing from your browser, you will be redirected to the Missing Extension screen. Click the Visit Chrome Web Store link at the bottom of the page. Click the Add to Chrome button in the top right of the store page. Click Add Extension button on the Chrome pop-up window to add the extension to Chrome. Close the Chrome Web Store page and return to the Missing Extension page, which should refresh to the HP Support Assistant page. Click on the Select Region drop-down list and select your region. Click Continue. Click Create Account Sign In to log in to your HP account, or select Continue as guest. Share your device data allows HP Support Assistant to better assess your device health. If you would like to share your data at a later time instead, you can also select Let's Share Later. Updating HP Support Assistant. Your HP Support Assistant version is determined by the version of Chrome OS your device is running. When Chrome OS is updated, HP Support Assistant will also be updated to the latest available version. To find out which version of HP Support Assistant you are currently running, click the gear icon and then click About HP Support Assistant. In this window, you can see your version of HP Support Assistant and, if you'd like, click a link that will bring you to the app's homepage to learn more. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.